Instagram audio call option not available or option not showing on Instagram. Problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get this audio call option on your Instagram. Okay, so guys, first of all, what you need to do here is that just go back, and then here you just need to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here you have to click, see on the top there is a 3 days, simply click on it, and then here you have to click on settings and privacy. Now here this type of interface will be pop up. Just scroll down, and then after scrolling down here you have to search for account types and tools. Simply click on it, and then here you can see switch to professional account. So guys, what you need to do is that make sure that your account is a personal account. Do not keep your account in professional account. Okay, here you'll get the option. If your account is professional account, here you will get the option to switch to personal account. Make sure that your account is personal account. After doing this, what you need to do is that you have to go to Play Store, and then here you have to search for Instagram. Okay, after searching for Instagram, you will find one update button here. Simply you need to update your Instagram, and after updating your Instagram, you have to go to your phone settings, and then here for your phone settings, you have to check whether your software is asking for any kind of update or not. I mean, if your device is asking for any kind of update, make sure to update your device. After updating your device, you just need to switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then you have to just check it out. Your call option, audio call option on Instagram will be definitely available. If it is not available, then please comment me down below. I will definitely gonna help you out personally. Thanks for watching.